805 Myers, Sugar Grove, attempted repair on creased shingle. There's actually 2 nails.
Oh, there it is.
Getting them out so we do not damage surrounding shingles. Taking out the nails of the damaged shingle.
Okay. I have to go up in here.
Getting nails of surrounding shingles. Very brittle. There's already some more cracking going on from the surrounding shingles. As you can see, we're being very delicate. Normally on these brittle roofs, the nails will not allow us to pull them out. They will pop. We're trying to make it so we can, in which they're still not adhering to the roof, making it difficult to get out.
This one's not coming. Nope. Let me try this one real quick. I'll go back to that one.
On to the next nail.
I can't. If I go any farther, it's going to break this shingle.
We need to lift the shingle further to get the nail out because it is not adhering. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Got it.
I don't know if you want to document that.
But it's
Lifting it too
been
high.
getting damaged because the nails would not pop out.
Okay. There's still a nail short here somewhere.
No, it's just from breaking the seal. Just from breaking the seal of the shingle is damaging that.
Shingle is out.
Got the shingle out, but we still do not have a shingle to do said repair. The true duration driftwood recommended by State Farm is 39 1/4. The shingle on the roof is 38 3/4. We would love to install this shingle. As you can see, as we're trying to slide it into the slot, it is way larger than the shingle on the roof, and that's no good. It is against manufacturer specifications. This roof is not repairable.